Hello, my fellow YouTubers. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here to give you another review/tutorial on this beautiful wig that I purchased from Wig Types. Her name is Darlene from the Sensational collection, the wet lace, and I got her in the color number 1. And also, she does come with 2 combs in the front, 2 comb and 1 comb in the back, and an adjustable strap. And she does also come with baby hairs as well. So here I'm just using my foundation. The foundation that I used was the Juvia's Place foundation, and I got the color number, I think the shade number 230, to make the lace look more, natural, because without the foundation, you can see the lace, so to speak. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just trying to blend it in. And next, I'm going to be using my Got to Be Free spray to apply the wig. I don't know, for some reason my camera did not capture everything, so please forgive me, you guys, for that. But once again, I'm just applying it with a little free spray. And now, after, I'm going to use my blow dryer on the cool setting to kind of make the free spray a little sticky. Not completely dry, but sticky, so that the lace can lay on flat. Okay, so after, putting her on and styling her with my Got to Be Free spray, I can admit that she's cute. It's a lot of hair, I must say. But I can deal sensational. I can. But anyway, this is the lace. This is how it looks up close. I tried, you guys, with the baby hairs. I'm still struggling, but I tried. I was able to lay her down with the wrapping foam spray that I purchased from my local beauty supply store. And for my baby hairs, I was able to use this. And to lay her down, again, I was able to use this Tagasti freeze spray. And I also flattened her with my flat irons because she had like that little hump right here. So I was able to get her a little flat. But other than that, she's cute. She is. I probably wouldn't wear her every day, but I probably would like wear her to, you know, my different events that I go to and my meetings. But I like